Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new vlog video. Hope that all are fine. I am also doing well by the mercy of Allah. So dear lovely friends, today actually I have come here, my relative person. So that's why I have come here, and also I decided one video making so that dear friends, my behind side many type of plants actually betel nut tree you can see. This is the betel nut tree garden. So as we can see my behind side, you can see there is a on garden, bamboo garden. It's a bamboo garden, and you know there is a small actually aram. So there are so many aram. So, dear friends, today actually I am so very happy because of nowadays my health condition actually so very good. So that's why I am nowadays I am happy. And so, dear friends, nowadays I am not video making and don't video making, and my YouTube channel and Facebook page nowadays not active because I cannot video making. So today I have decided one video making and upload my channel. Okay. So dear friends, this is the actually one party attend. So that's why I have come here. Dear friends, there are so many actually four dogs. They have so your actually food. So cow one cow actually eating grass on the field, and aram field, and there is a bamboo garden, so many type of plants there, this garden. So yeah, actually I am so excited. This place I have come here, actually very nice place. And when I visit this place, my mind actually very happy. And for this time, and it's actually evening time, so very good I feel. And this is the actually entry and gate, and this gate I entry and come here at this moment. So dear friends, so very excited for this video making purposes. So dear friends, English actually it's a very tough language. So many motivational speaker they can, and they tell me, and actually I can so many type of English motivation video and English learning video. And I achieve that. I feel that English is a not shortcut way learning English. It's a very tough language. It's a very long journey, and you can learn speaking English, and you daily minimum 10 or 20 minutes speaking and listening regularly. So it's a very long journey. It's a not short journey. It's a very long journey. And dear friends, if you learn speaking English fluently, you have to start for learning English, and daily minimum one video making. So video making is very helpful for your learning English. Okay, so I am also this way learning English. So nowadays I cannot video making, so that's why my English and my skill actually not very good. So I think one person he is daily making video and daily practice this language. So this person actually uh, 2 years completely fluent speaker, and it's a not shortcut way, and daily practice and daily more and more co-learners and communication speaking English. So my video actually today my video actually uh, very not good for this time, because nowadays I cannot making video and not practicing video. So thank you. Bye bye.